Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm unboxing the November 2021 Sacred Space box. Hello, in the month of November and fairly early. Go me. So this box is her favorite witchy things in honor of her 2-year anniversary, which was in June, but there was a lot going on then, so it's now. It says thank you. It's got the calendar and the moon and the zodiac, which is a nice little thing that she puts in there every time. A grateful heart is a magnet for magic. Yes, please, thank you. Awakening incense sticks. It's kind of like a fruity, perfumey smell. Alright, let's see what we got here. High Priestess ritual candle with some words on top you can read. Oh, pretty. And it also smells like the awakening. And then we have, it looks like what? A lapis lazuli? Maybe? Not 100% certain. Ooh, burdock root salve. I love the salves. Can't smell it, but I love salve. Skin irritations, eczema, and psoriasis. We've got our herb. Jasmine flower. We've got our oil, which is Come to Me, a pheromone reactive oil. Interesting. Witch's Brew, raspberry, nettle, lemon, vitex, lemon verbena, linden, cinnamon, rose petals, and stevia. A bag, I'm assuming for the deck, and it's got a little tarot pendant on there. Oh my god. So, let me just preface this by saying I absolutely love this deck. The Tarot of the Divine. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it. I bought it when it first came out. I've actually... See? It's one of my very favorites though. It is such a phenomenal deck, and I can absolutely vouch for and agree that this is one of my favorite items as well. And I bought the book too. I love the book. So I've had both of these items for a while. Doesn't mean I don't appreciate it, because it's her favorite things, and it kind of really resonates with me because these are some of my favorite things as well. So this is just absolutely wonderful. I love this this deck and this book. So this is the book with the fairy tales, myths, and divine stories for each of them. And what they did with this deck was just fabulous. I actually collect literary decks. I have at least 2 right now, and I've done a side-by-side of them with a couple that I've ordered already on Kickstarter that I'll be doing a more deep... I love this. This is the World card. And just the stories, it is phenomenal. This is Scheherazade as the High Priestess. I mean, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. They don't have it in order of the deck. So Sleeping Beauty is the Hangman, as you can tell from her positioning, right? Anansi is the Wheel of Fortune. I forget what White Buffalo Calf Woman is. The Little Mermaid is the Fool. This is the Three of Swords. This is the 10 of Staves, if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Or the 10 of Wands. I forget which one this one is. obviously the ace. Oh, the Empress. The Empress is Our Lady of Guadalupe, and it's perfect, perfect, perfect. Strength. I want to say that this is the World, but I could be wrong. It could be Judgment. No, it's Judgment. I'm sorry. This is the 5 of Wands, as you can tell by like the strife. Yemoya is, I believe, the Queen of Cups. I have my deck right here. And now I'm getting, I want to say it's the Lovers, but I'm all messed up. Oh, White Buffalo Calf Woman is the Hierophant. Of course, it's my birth card. Judgment, I was right about that. Then I'm not sure. This is not one of the major arcana. This is the Tower, as you can see. Coyote. I want to say it's the 7 of Swords. The Moon. I forget what this one is. And that one too. Obviously it's the 4 of Pentacles, right? I'm trying to find one of my favorite cards. But there's so many really, really, really good stories, Queen of Swords, that they did, and it's so many cultures, and it's just truly just a wonderful, wonderful deck. I absolutely love it. Let me see, where's my favorites? The ones that I mean, all of them fit really well, but some I feel like, so this one's really beautiful. That's the World card. Some I feel like are particularly wonderful. Let me see. This is the Devil. She looks like a Hellion. King Arthur is the Emperor. Sedna, that's terrible. Vasila. La Llorona, it's an excellent one. 6 of Swans. Pele, Queen of Fire. Hang Toi. Hermit. I forget which one this is. Oh, this is the King of Pentacles. The World Turtle. The Lovers. The Little Matchstick Girl is the 5 of Pentacles. That's one of my absolute favorites. It's so good. It's such it resonates so well. John Henry is another one. Very, very good. Anyway, absolutely love the book. Absolutely love the deck. Already have both, but still I absolutely love them. So let's just briefly look at the insert. Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. I'm so grateful and blessed to have you as a subscriber. I love curating magical items for you, and being able to pass on my family spells and rituals is fulfilling my purpose. Thank you so much for making this possible. Tarot of the Divine Deck and Guidebook. I bought this deck at the beginning of this year, and the art and stories brought me to happy tears. Same. I love the diverse stories and legends that this deck represents. And it goes on a little bit. Beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. Beneath the Moon book. Dive deeper into the understanding the intentional meanings of the cards. Plus, this book would be wonderful to pass down to the generation. 78 Divine Stories, Legends, and Myths. It is. It's fabulous. It's absolutely fabulous. I love this duo. She did an excellent job. I highly, highly, highly recommend. Especially you guys know how I feel about diversity in my tarot decks, and this just takes the cake and is a perfect example of of a well done situation, because I believe that the tarot represents archetypes that are universal to human beings. And so by taking a large sample and a population and different humans and stuff, it's very, it speaks more truly to me anyway. Hand sewn tarot bag, which we have here with a little gem, so that's really cool. She made the tarot bag. Oh, thank you. High Priestess ritual candle. It's great in allowing you to beyond your consciousness with clarity. Perfect light for giving a tarot reading. They're handmade. 3 crystal chips are laying at the bottom of your candle to not only magnify your magic, but for its ability to enhance psychic abilities. Amethyst chips around the flame to raise your third eye. Open your third eye and raise your consciousness. Jasmine flowers around the entire candle for divination and clarity. Jasmine flowers, which I have, very nice. And then we have lapis lazuli polished stone, so I was correct. Very nice. Come to Me pheromone oil. My Come to Me spray is the most popular spray in my online store. It is a challenge to keep in stock, and trust me, this scent works almost too well at bringing what you want to you. People and animals do seem to clamor around you when you wear it, so not ideal to use when you want to be alone. So very cool. Very, very cool. And then Witch's Brew tea. Plants that enhance your divine feminine energy. Awakening incense. It's red apple, juicy citrus, jasmine petals, lily of the valley, rosewater, warm amber, and sheer musk. Smells good. Burdock root salve. I absolutely love her salves for rosacea, eczema, and psoriasis. That's very, very good. I love it. Moon in the Zodiac calendar. Wonderful. So the next month's theme is Yule, which I absolutely love. And I just love this box. I love Melissa. She's a wonderful person. I love what she creates. I love that we have such similar taste. And I mean, this box is a winner. I highly recommend it to you. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. As always, I love you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to connect with you soon. But as always, it's in fate's hands. So I love you. Have a nice night.